celebrating 90 years.
I want to say good morning to Lewasia.
I want to
And all those minibus drivers from Nosori Corvo, they tuning in this morning.
Right.
And to all the LM and all the LM minibus.
Yo.
Corvo Nosori Dams.
Corvo Nausori Tuhia.
Right.
LM79 Revo Misikana.
Miskana Enra.
LM42 Eliki.
Hey, belum nak liks.
LM183 Ura.
Rex Gori.
LM2 Pilise.
Willy.
LM32 Taikali.
Right.
LM35 Oseva.
Right.
LM52 Ocho.
Right.
People itu sombutunggoy Corvo on satungan gonna be TFM. I don't know our LM.
Iyo.
LM
Who the Ulalaba?
Oh,
TJ.
Right. It's a LM Ululala.
To all the drivers tuning in this morning and to all the passengers,
Good morning.
I will say a very good morning to you all. Thank you so much for tuning in this morning.
All right.
We say a very big binakabakalem to all the staff of Punjas who are going to work this morning.
Right.
And to all the middle managers, to all the managers of
Right.
Punjas around the country.
All right.
Ito ba na chikari wikim ni Totoko Tumoti.
Good morning.
Na bito ka dia na bugunin naman ni sama chika may na mata kay dayday.
Yeah.
Wa mi bitalangan bito sa kaya na bito lingon ni sala.
Chusa.
Pero na kada may na taw ko nando be koro babalangin.
Dono ka.
All the LC drivers.
Right.
Carrier drivers.
Right.
Kaya pas di. Wa mi bito wir ngoni buli.
Don't believe in that.
Sama chika may na mata ni ko LC 588.
Right. Woo! Gordon.
Oh, yeah.
We're Gordon Buli.
The student.
Ramakrishna.
Yo.
Waindalide.
Bakan dua.
Corvo Town.
Iyo dono.
Taylor North.
Iyo.
And Rabinaka to the driver to Tony.
Yeah.
When I will Sarah to my animal. Also,
Yeah.
this is in Paringa, my Renmark, my Australia.
Huh.
To all the Ngonibiti. Tuning in from Paringa, this is Mario Gregory. Thank you so much.
McGregor
ang salah.
Yeah.
And mataka vinaka day.
Good morning to Jay the Timbiu and the tour guide is Akisi.
Oh, okay.
They went for the movement. I know the
Movement?
the military.
Yeah,
Okay.
so gonna be talabi.
Yeah. For the
Ito na kanta mga dir chumba may mbay.
iya,
Right.
Yeah.
And sino binaka.
Bato bahay.
British Army.
Iyo.
Pamimbi no pa dia no salva to.
Oh, Akisi.
Akisi.
Iyo.
Yar bela kakisi.
O sistri.
Na boleh besar na bito kan ya na matadi ko. Bikin lu bibiti mana besi berumur ni anra.
Iya.
Lu bibiti linga binga rapi na hotel ni bulan sar benua.
Doon na.
Turang neta sen bisi gara-gara tambua.
Bulan na ka.
Orang cuma ketawa na bugun no munggar bitabi turang neta.
Iya.
Ni anra ni mata binaka.
470 LM2 Tamaysay from Tonia.
Alright.
And also to Emi Sauleda from California.
Yeah.
In America. And everybody joining this morning. Hassan Ali.
Iya.
Ham tubolo Zombatike.
Alright.
Tuno Rokumanga.
Iya.
Good morning to you.
LT1230 era binaka ya matadi.
The Way family, they're
Yeah.
tuning all the way from Auckland in New Zealand.
Ha.
Bula binaka to 670.
Aya.
How many-
Awa meme wanga noko.
Oh, no more
Auntie.
Yeah,
Good morning and also to Niana.
Right.
Yeah.
How many coconut breed are there in Fiji?
Fijitol.
Oi.
First of all, that's
Yeah.
a long one. Fijitol is a long one.
Yeah.
The second one,
Iya. Fijison.
hybrid.
Hybrid, okay.
Myself and another one is Nunrau.
Yeah.
Oi.
This one is
Small one?
Small one, many
Yeah.
in one.
Meme iseng nabungong ko demis.
Wili na bungong boleh binaka.
Ini ko ko ile day. Oh so.
Boleh binaka tamay tomu.
Yeah.
Awa
Apa,
mimi tongo melambasa. Go into na this fella.
Yeah.
Tamay tomu. He is from the village.
Where?
We Tabale.
Iya.
Okay.
He married to Naila Mbautelewu.
Okay.
Telew.
Tailewu. You know,
Panis tay lambas.
when our father he is a road user.
Oi.
Oh.
Kaya harto nalingan ni harto garap nang sala.
Right.
Fiji roads.
Yeah.
Yeah. And he talked to the, when you were there with your father-in-law,
Yeah.
you were not able, that story. And he was talking to father-in-law.
Right.
He was asking to call Mbusamu.
Yeah.
Right.
Mbusal was sitting next to father-in-law.
Right.
But they never talked to each other. The respectful way of the traditional ceremony.
Yeah.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay.
So when the praying gone,
Yeah.
we need something to happen in the home.
Right.
So everybody does not recognize what's happening.
Right.
So when time he pray, he call me. Tabalende.
Yeah.
Call Mbusamu.
Yeah.
But the father-in-law close to Mbusamu.
Yeah.
Then I leave Mbusamu.
Yeah.
I call father-in-law.
Whoa! You make the trick.
I call father-in-law to look outside.
Yeah.
When we call outside, they eye contact.
Ano dua?
Kila what he do?
Yeah.
He close one eye.
Yeah.
One eye be momo.
Right.
I was like, tabale.
Yeah.
You know what you doing?
Yeah.
Dua nga ne bola tambo pita tambal ngale anyway.
Yeah.
Second is us do. Dala me tabale tambo tomu.
Okay, and what's the reaction from Momo?
You know Momo was praying.
Yeah.
You know when somebody praying, when you touch him
Yeah.
like this, kila na matane na wangama imbaletani who?
Yeah.
Who?
You know?
Because the devil touch him.
Hey, kuwa. Sa kurikuro Momo,
Yeah, yeah.
because 13 years of the elder son,
Right.
they never talk to each other. That day, they contact.
The eye contact.
The eye contact.
And Yotabale, one eye the Momo.
One eye Momo.
And Momo smell or no?
No,
Smile.
because Momo spring.
Spring is smile. Smile praying.
Uy.
Kung nga tuni be bisak.
Yeah.
Must to reget.
Momo was praying about the house.
Yeah, about the house and about the talking.
Okay, going back to the Momo and the Hungana combination.
Mili suka na tambua.
Okay.
Jay that imbu is watching.
Okay, what do you think?
I think.
We should talk to our Momo and Ne or what?
Yeah.
We have
It's
to
easy
talk.
for us to talk to our Ne.
Yeah.
Our Momo, but ano dito, why?
Right. It's our traditional ceremony.
Hindi na, sir.
But one thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What about if an emergency happening in the home?
Right. Good question.
You
And
know,
Momo needs help.
Yeah.
right.
This emergency happened to Momo. And there is a hump
Yeah.
between you that you can't talk to your Momo. But
Right.
the only thing you can help
Yeah.
is inspiration.
Love.
Nada ba sini love na. Nada maybe buke mouth to mouth. Nada na.
Yeah, mo bibuke.
Yo mo buke kwa you pump the mouth. Mo
The mouth. Pump the first mouth with your mouth.
Nangulisal ni buke. Mouth because you can give breathe the air to your mouth to
How
your
you
Momo.
pump in the mouth?
Me pump the mouth to mouth. Mo buke kina. That's the only thing you can help.
Yeah.
To make your Momo alive.
Okay.
So what you gonna do?
Yeah.
You gonna leave Momo past? Or you gonna help
Okay,
to
see,
break that
some of
barrier?
the-
Like in your situation,
Yeah.
Pam!
You know, pump Momo.
Pam Momo! Pam Momo mebude. Membula, sa! Momo! You give the right girl. You give the right rose. Why leave Momo? That situation, Miguel. Miguel. Alam mo pala nga tayo, Miguel. Iyo.
It's good to know that you talk to your Momo, eh?
Yeah.
You be wali to your Momo.
Sambula
Because
menges.
Momo, when he comes from the canal,
Yeah.
he brings your fish.
Ni sambula nga bibang ko Momo sa kalin saya pala sambula.
Yeah.
I love you Momo.
Ano now?
Totally ko. That's so how love is it.
Dinasar.
Yeah.
Matraka bukote ni Chico na dito bo.
Right.
So mo may ato sa na lega bayan rucho to robot ki Momo. Okay. We na we tambuke. Okay. There are different parts of the country in Fiji. Ito na kiri wale.
Yeah.
To na kada to na lomane sarwa turang ora.
Yeah.
The province of Ra. Me pango. Oiko. Ochi mundo na nganengu.
Alright.
Eh?
Ndaku.
Iya. O kongone be wachimu.
Iya, nuku ndaku.
Iyo. You can talk to her.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
That's happened to at Wainunu.
Oi.
That respectful way.
Iyo.
You can talk. Because,
But you can do like this.
you know, because it's very risky, eh?
Yeah.
Because
Why risky?
Because it's you have to respect the
Yeah.
Why? It's your ndaku.
Yeah.
yeah, ndaku.
Yeah.
Osar nga ya, eh?
You expect because you said also in Wainunu. Okay, why?
Myself, I can keep my mouth shut in
So you can talk
Yeah.
to Chini.
Did
I already bosa kede.
Yeah.
Oi.
My life I can sin rawata mi tambukin dua.
Okay.
Right.
I can respect,
Yeah.
but I can because on that situation,
Yeah.
All right.
in the situation, if emergency happen
Right.
at a time,
Dinasar.
you need to be there to
Yeah.
help. You need to be there to call because
Yeah.
if I close my mouth, I can't talk to my Momo, I can't talk to my sister-in-law.
Yeah.
So if he or she needs something
Do the
from
signal.
me, if
Signal.
he or she needs something from me,
Yeah.
how
Write
can
a
I
letter.
write a letter maybe in the moon?
You and your Momo in the house.
Yeah.
And our brother here, Tukai Kesi Raiseni.
Yeah.
Boleh bila talingu,
Yeah.
Tamay Lupi, from Moinran, joining from Moinran, from Nabua.
Yeah.
You and your momo there.
Yeah.
Your momo in the wheelchair in the
Yeah.
house. Only you two, and the house burn.
I think the wheelchair with the Momo run outside.
Kesa ka take the wheelchair, leave Momo.
Leave Momo, me leave take your daughter. Abongo, leave Momo, me leave take your daughter.
Momo, chika matay kaya bro sa lamay.
Siya nga tala di baro ya. Hindi sa kabanto ng dalaman. Binabalebu. Kita bito sa lama. Tala ni Momo ko nakikita tala sambasi ka dinamig ko
Momo, I
Momo.
love you. Taka matay kaya, lalo sa lamay.
Ngay na makatala na way ko la ni mata ni Singapore keta buwan na songole bu ni showcase.
Warnabu.
Ya kabi ni two city ni maro katumay. Andi sala. Kodembe ka kona numa.
Dinasar.
Katerina. Ha.
Yeah, nak meat industry, my beef city, kaya kaya sara na sama cuma
Double.
okay beef. Na matang di ko, ti may maray ko, ti kaya na matapyo kani. Atau sama sama may Queensland na matang di ko.
Iko ko na sa ngamen na wheelchair ni momo.
Iya.
Wasombur ko mo na tumikir na mukha.
Iyo. Emboy doro-doro. Alam mo ko, siya ka napuwak. Alam ko, tinapasa ka.
Ito na nanta ito ko nito kaya.
Iya.
Araw-araw ta kita posible nanta ni. Ka nanta mo ka doon rin dito. So do catch tu.
So na mo mo ekas tu.
So mo catch tu. So rabi tambah di.
Iyo ngo kito ki mo ngo kito bitaman.
Iyo.
Nda lako tu kan lebih baro ta ke lako tu na ka eh.
Iyo.
Ay semua mo.
Woi, saroto mo lutu mo na mena.
Mundo.
Iya, kono na nga hindi balya.
Si orto na ngone uluke.
Esa kasi mo kami mempemetendo mo iwan na momo.
Mata-mata indo amelutu. Peni malolo yan na kami ni sabi na wali usar na sino kulimay be. Ito bata.
Iyo.
Wala tamu itu. Woi, enggak rauniko.
Woi, sekali, wiki menurut kada nanon da show yang matang diku, da pokok bina kapoli, na pokok bito kani, na kabar bina kanggo, ka da utur biti gitu ya, da pokok ni nada do bina nerbaki. Nara menti bina kani impul na bising to saraya na marau kina bina nerbaki. Kuanda sarang da kamu cuma matang diku. Kita undra matang cuma kono non tambul na tuki. Adi buku bikin tu na buno ningune kono mendo kla broken English tu. Aku sar juga ya. Nakanga meta marukin na libur na warong cuma matang diku na telu curi dola-dola. Sora bak sama tahu tu na osos diku. Penden rebaki manda.
Oh, julung.
Penden manda maru manda. Nonton pula di sini kok kita sini kalau nonton bukalau. Nakah satu kerja pertama kok, namun cinggo. Bidar saya kuju menggo sini nom.
Reapi na kailangi, boleh na tahu ko na marami tahu lebu bawa cari nanronga. Reapi en na kailangi.
Benar.
Dong boleh benak. Are pamomo, let momo go. Pamomo me da rombambun.
Ya benar kami menurut kata rumah tak nom like hat pada kita share.
Dono menaka.
Saya macam kami salika akan burakin gora BTFM, BTD Junior Carnival. Atau saya macam cuma lupa na bukan tahu samu tele, benar nak kampani. Anu di mana sekali weekend doyan matang diko. Kali semerama, benar boleh besar rapi, nakailangi. Kalau nggak cuma sih bina ni bina niko. Gua kurun
Mika galon bolong.
Engon de Messi.